Hi, so I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video about reapplying sunscreen. I just found a new favorite, and so I just want to share. And I didn't see that many videos about it. It's a Shiseido Sports HydroBB Compact, and it comes with a refill, and you can buy the compact part separately. This was 10 and this was 30. But it comes out like this. So you put it together and it's just a sponge applicator with the cream to powder formula. And I already reapplied it on my face, so you can kind of tell the color, but you just pat it on here and then bounce it. That way you don't mess up your makeup and you still get even coverage. And you want to do right here if you wear sunglasses or glasses, and under your eyes and crow's feet area for sure. I even do it on my brow bone because I do get freckles there. There's like a big one from driving probably. And then yeah, just get your whole face. This is my new favorite because I used to use this Avene and I like it. It's also SPF 50. It's a mineral compact. Sorry, the Shiseido is it 17%? 13% titanium dioxide and some chemical sunscreens. I cannot use the chemical ones around my eyes. It like super burns and I have to wash my face. But this one is also a mineral compact, but this one is a lot lighter and it's thicker. So it feels thick on your face. And I use it because, I mean, this is the only way I know how to apply or reapply it well. I also like this. This is the Mineral Fusion SPF 30. And this is all mineral. And how you use this is you have to tap it kind of hard, maybe 10 times till you see a little bit on the brush. Then you know you have enough to like actually make a difference, and you just brush it all over your face. And it's good because it takes away shine. I like to combine the two because I always powder over my foundation or anything creamy on my face. So I like those two, and I think with these two you can get decent coverage. You know, it's never like the number that it says on the box because you have to put so much to get that number. So with the two, I feel a little bit more confident that my face is covered. Some of my other favorites, but I do this in the morning, is this Ulta MD SPF 41. It comes in a really economical, I guess, packaging. There's 3 ounces, so that's good for a face sunscreen. My favorite though is this Shiseido. It's titanium and zinc and SPF 40. And this is a more mattifying, like primer type sunscreen. And then for the body, I use this. And this is good. It's like in a huge bottle. And I put this one on my neck. Like I usually wear like some kind of top that's open. So then I would put it on my chest and my arms, because I do get freckles on my arms too. Yay for getting older. But that's what happens when you live in Hawaii, right? So yeah, I just want to come and share my opinion on this. I didn't see that many reviews on it, so I really like it. I feel like it dries down to like a semi-matte finish. It's not completely matte, it's not shiny either, and it feels really good on the skin, unlike this one, which is really thick. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you sunscreen every day.